welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today in this video I will be sharing with you what I eat in the morning during the week while I am on this total life changes diet. So this video is also a collaboration with my brother, Southern Smoke Boss, also known as SSB. So be sure you go check out his channel to see what meals he have prepped. So today is Monday and we're having 2 boiled eggs and a cup of fruit. And to drink, I will be having my 8-ounce Iaso tea. I have a video coming soon on the Iaso tea. You definitely don't want to miss it, so just stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. It is Tuesday morning and I have ran my 4 miles for today. So for breakfast, I am having 2 sliced bacon, 2 pieces, a sliced tomato, my cup of fruit, and my Iaso tea. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning, and this morning for breakfast, I will be having 2 cheese sticks, a pack of almonds, which will be my protein, my cup of fruit, and I will be drinking my Iaso tea. So that's it for my breakfast today. I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It is Thursday morning and for breakfast we're having a cup of fruit, a pack of almonds for the protein, and 2 boiled eggs. And I will be drinking my Iaso tea. I will see you Friday morning. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, and for breakfast we are having rice cake with peanut butter, my fruit, and my Iaso tea. So this is the last day of the week. This is the last meal breakfast prep for the week. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to go check out my brother, Southern Smoke Boss, also known as SSB. And in the comments below, be sure to tell him that his sister, Dee's Kitchen, sent you over there, because he did his meal prep for the week as well, but he did lunch, so you have an idea of how you can prep your meal for breakfast and how you can prep your meal for your lunch. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, enjoy his video, and as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.